Okay, right to the point. So my Galaxy right here, it's a Galaxy S3. Like it won't turn on, right? Like I'll hold the power button on, and then like it'll vibrate. I'll get there, and then I'll shut off. See, like that. It just shut off. Wait, no, I didn't. Give it a second. And there, it won't turn on anymore. See? So I did some research on it, and I heard that if you like take out the battery, oh, and it's not a battery, cause look, take out the battery, and then here I got this battery. I brought it brand new because I thought it was like broken or something. So it's been charging. I put it on, and still, watch. Okay, I think it froze. Okay, never mind. Oh, then she got farther this time. Okay, let's see if it turns on. This is as far as it has gotten ever since like this thing. I think it might work now. Shit. It's working. So never mind. I was gonna try to do a tutorial on how to fix it, but it looks like the battery fixed it. Okay, so apparently changing the battery fixes it. So yeah, I got this. It's called Digital Energy. I got it for $50, but I'm pretty sure you can find it cheaper at eBay or something. So yeah, if your phone doesn't work like mine, just get a battery. Don't buy a new phone like I did. That was dumb. Buy a new battery. Okay, bye.